Hey pop culture zombies, it's time to sink your teeth into Robot Chicken seasons 1, 2 and 3. And on the top it says Robot Chicken 60 episodes 6 disc DVD collection. There we go. I love this show because they use stop motion for the toys and everything. But they do use some CGI on like explosions and fire and stuff like that. There we go. It's got kind of the episode stills on the back. And it says, bark, 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 bark. Behold, the first 3 series of the Emmy award-winning Robot Chicken, battery farmed and rammed, 22 a disc into this juicy box set, all 60 deliciously evil, mind-bending, toy-mangling sketches from season 1. 2 and 3 are right here. Just itching to stuff all that jabbering pop culture funniness malarkey into your eyes. Gorge yourself on the A to Z celebrity baiting hit show from Adult Swim, created by comedy maestro Seth Green. All painstakingly shot good old-fashioned stop-motion animation. In your face, Mega Buck special effects gonks. Clucking A. Special features. There's 5 hours of extras, which has cast and crew commentaries, chicken nuggets, animatics, special extended episodes, gag reels, deleted scenes, and lots of hidden extras. And look, it's got the DVDs on the back, and the website www.adultswim.co.uk/DVD. And on here it says it contains strong language, sex references, moderate violence, bloody violence, drug references and nudity. But they use action figures and toys. Season 1 has bleep swearing in it. Season 2 has uncensored swearing, which means they don't block it out. Season 3 they don't block out the swearing either, I don't think. This is season 1, disc 1 and disc 2, and this is season 2, disc 1 and disc 2, and this is season 3, disc 1 and disc 2. There we go. I'd recommend this show because it's funny and it's random at times. It's just an original show, really. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and hopefully you can sink your teeth into the box set yourself. And tell me what you think if you've already got the DVD. Thanks guys, have a good day, evening, and good night.